In this video, we are going to see how we can dilute syrup amoxicillin. So let's look at the step. Step number 1, you need to wash your hand. In washing hands, you are going to use soap and water. And then you're going to pour water in the kettle and boil it to 100 degrees Celsius. And then you put it to cool. You can use any available material you have. And meanwhile, now come to dilute the drug. You need to check for expiry date. As for this one, is expiring in 2060. And then let's see if the drug has expired, like the one you are seeing here. You are not supposed to dilute. You go and return it to the pharmacist, and you get the drug that is not expired. Because if you give this one, it will not work, because the ingredient inside is not now active. Then you open the medication. Then you pour that boil cold water, the one that you boil and then you cool it, and then you're going to pour it inside to the level, to this level here. Each and every drug has its own level. Now, if you have poured it, you're going to close it tightly, and if you close it tightly, you're going to shake. After shaking it well, it should look like this. If you look at this, this is how it looks after shaking. Then making sure that all the ingredient inside has already diluted. Then after shaking well, you open. Then you measure the prescribed mils as per doctor order. Then you give to the baby. Meanwhile, you observe the baby is taking well. After that, you store the drug for less than 7 days, for not more than 7 days, and then you wash the thing you have given to the baby with, like the cup, the medication cup. Then you store them well for the next time of dosing. So that is all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Consider subscribing.